preparation method of alkynes is Kolbe electrolytic method, and we have earlier also studied the Kolbe electrolytic method in the case of alkanes and alkenes. So what will be the preparation method in the case of Kolbe electrolytic method? In this, the electricity, that is electrolysis of sodium potassium salt of malate and formate, can be done. So what will be happening in this case? Potassium malate. This is named as potassium malate. In this, there is cis form of isomer is represented. We can also take the transform, and transform is named as potassium formate. This is transform. Either of the two can be taken for the electrolysis. So in the presence of two molecules of water, this is electrolysis, that is electricity will be passed through the solution. So there will be formation of ethyne and removal of CO2 two molecules, hydrogen molecule, and formation of two molecule of KOH. Okay? So the solution will be KOH alkaline. So what will be the reaction? That is, the reaction will occur in anode and cathode. So how this compound will be represented in ionic form, so that we can represent the reaction in anode and cathode. So in the presence of electricity and water, this compound will ionize to give CH double bond CH, COO minus, COO minus, and also two cations, that is 2K plus, will also be obtained. And in the presence of this strong salt, this water molecule will also ionize to give H2O, will ionize to give H plus and OH minus. So there are two cations and two anions are furnished in this solution. On the basis of electrode potential, it will be decided which ion will move towards particular electrode. So on the basis of these two ions, that is anion, this is carboxylate anion and this is OH minus. So on the basis of electrode potential, this carboxylate ion will be moving towards anode, whereas this OH minus will be remain in solution. So because anode is positively charged, so due to which two electrons are donated by this anion towards anode, so there will be two electrons will be subtracted from this molecule. Each electron will be removed from both the oxygen, due to which there will be odd electron system will be formed. So there will be odd electron on each oxygen, due to which homolytic fission will be initiated. So this carbon-carbon bond will also homolytic fuse. So homolytic fission will be taking place, due to which each carbon will take away one electron of the shared pair. Because of that, in this carbon there will be odd electron, in this carbon there will be odd electron. Similarly in both the carbons. So what will be happening? Because there is odd electron in this carbon, due to which there will be formation of two CO2 molecule and CH double bond CH. There is also odd electron on both the carbon, due to which there will be formation of triple bond will be taking place to form acetylene. So acetylene will be obtained. This is descent of series, because in this case there will be the product which will be obtained is 2 carbon less from the reactant. Next, in this case there are two cations, that is K plus and H plus. So reduction electrode potential of H plus is high in comparison to K plus, due to which the H plus will be discharging at cathode. So 2H plus ion will take away the electrons from cathode. So there will be formation of H2 molecule will be taking place, whereas K plus will remain in the solution with OH minus, due to which there is a KOH present in the solution. Next preparation method of alkyne is done by the help of, that is synthesis from carbon and hydrogen in the presence of electric arc. So the temperature of electric arc 3270 Kelvin. So at this high temperature, carbon will react with hydrogen So there will be formation of acetylene will takes place. So this reaction will require very high temperature. This reaction is synthesis of higher alkynes from acetylene. This reaction will be done by the help of reagent, that is NaNH2, in the presence of liquid ammonia, and temperature is 196 Kelvin. So what will be happening in this case? Exam, in the presence of NaNH2 and liquid ammonia, temperature is 196 Kelvin. There will be formation of HC triple bond CNA. Because of this formation, there is a positive charge will come on this sodium and negative charge will be coming on this carbon, and removal of NH3 is taking place. So this compound will further react with another alkyl halide CH3, CH2, Cl. Any alkyl halide can be taken. So you know that there is electronegativity difference between this halogen and the carbon, due to which there will be partial negative charge on this chlorine and partial positive charge on this carbon. Because of that, this carbon ion, which is having excess of electron, will be attacking on this electron deficient carbon. Because of that, there will be formation of higher carbon, that is higher member of alkyne will be taking place. Similarly, in this case we take two molecule of, that is 2 NaNH2 in the presence of liquid ammonia and 196 Kelvin. So in this case there are two compounds of NaNH2 is present, due to which both the hydrogen will be replaced by the sodium. So there will be formation of disodium acetylide. This is disodium acetylide. In this case also there will be negative charge on both the carbons and positive charge on this sodium, because sodium is highly electropositive. Because of that, sodium carbon bond is highly polar. So this compound will further react with two molecule of CH3Cl. So there will be formation of, because in this case there are two carbon ions, so both the CH3 will attack on each of the carbon ion. So this carbon ion will be attacking on each CH3. So there will be formation of CH3, C triple bond, C, CH3, and removal of NaCl will be taking place. Okay, so this compound will be formed. We can remove both the hydrogen of acetylene and can increase the chain of this reaction by reacting with another alkyl halide. So this reaction is occurring by the help of this carbon ion, because the bond between carbon and sodium is highly polar, due to which this reaction is occurring by the help of carbon ion. Next is physical property of alkynes. So the first physical property which will be studied in alkynes, that is physical state. In the case of alkynes, from C2 to C4 carbon members are gases, from C4 to C12 carbon members are liquids, and C13 onwards carbon members are solids. Next property is melting point. In the case of melting point, the melting point of alkynes are more than alkenes and alkanes. It is because of their linear structure. Because of their linear cylindrical structure, the packing of alkynes within the crystal lattice is much more efficient, much more closer in comparison to alkenes and alkanes. So the melting point of alkynes is greater than alkenes and alkanes because of the packing. Okay, the packing of alkynes is much more efficient than these two due to cylindrical structure. Next, third, boiling point. Boiling point increases as the carbon number increases in alkynes. So if with every CH2 unit there will be increase in boiling point. Next point, fourth, solubility. Because they are non-polar compound, due to which they are soluble in non-polar solvent. Example, petrol, ether, benzene, kerosene. So they are soluble in non-polar solvent. Next, fifth point, density. they are having lower density due to which they float over water. So these are the physical properties of alkynes.